Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 11681 Class 1 trailer hitch on a 2014 Honda Accord. For this installation, we'll be using a lift. Like most of our installations, this vehicle does not need to be elevated for the install. We estimate this installation to take 30 minutes to 1 hour depending on your level of expertise. These are the tools necessary for the install. To begin, lower the exhaust by removing 2 rubber isolators for single exhaust vehicles and 3 rubber isolators for dual exhaust vehicles. We recommend using a soapy water mixture or spray lubricant and pry bar to ease the removal process. Remove the heat shields by removing the 4 fasteners per shield. Next, fish wire the hardware into position. Insert the coiled end of the fish wire into the rear attachment point. Route it through the frame rail and out through the frontmost access hole. Place a square hold spacer over the coiled end of the fish wire and insert the spacer into the frame rail. Thread a carriage bolt into the coiled end of the fish wire and pull on the opposite end of the fish wire to guide the bolt and spacer through the frame rail and out through the rear attachment point. Leave the fish wire threaded to the bolt to prevent the hardware from falling into the frame. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Insert the included U-bolt through the tow hook. Raise the hitch into position, inserting the fish wires through the mounting holes. Secure the hitch to the U-bolt with the provided 3/8 inch hex flange nuts. Remove the fish wires and fasten the 3/16 hex flange nuts to the carriage bolts to fasten the hitch to the frame. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. Next, trim the heat shield according to the diagram in the included instruction sheet. Using a tape measure and a paint pen, mark the area to be cut. Mask this area with tape. Using aviation shears, cut out this section of the heat shield. Repeat this process for the other heat shield. Once correctly prepared, reinstall the heat shields. Reinstall the removed rubber isolators. This completes the installation of the CURT 11681 Class 1 trailer hitch on a 2014 Honda Accord. Add style to your ride with the exclusive CURT Euromount option, and find all the other CURT products for your ride. Thanks for watching this video. Now you can bring it.